Back. Problem 10. A particle moves along a straight line with equation of the motion s equals ft. S is measured in meters, t in seconds. Find the velocity when t equals 2. Ft is given by this. So remember, velocity is derivative of position. So S is given by the rule F. So to find velocity, I need to find derivative of F. Again, the definition of derivative, limit h approaching 0, f of a plus h minus fa the whole over h. Wherever I see t, I'm replacing it by a plus h. Okay, that's for f of a plus h minus, wherever I see t, I'm replacing it by a. And don't forget, because of that subtraction, all of fa is in parentheses. Now, you simplify, that opens up a squared plus 2ah plus h squared minus 6 distributes, right? Minus 6 distributes, keep track of signs. And then this negative changes signs inside. Now you are able to cancel. The only terms which survive are the h terms. Get h common, right? And you are dividing by h, so those two get cancelled. What you are left with is 2a plus h minus 6. When you substitute h 0, or when you basically are saying take limit h approaching 0, that goes away, you get 2a minus 6. Derivative is 2a minus 6. That is, position's derivative is 2a minus 6. So velocity, which is derivative of position, is 2a minus 6. I'm being asked to find velocity when time is 2. Plug in 2 minus 6. So it's negative 2 meters per second. Negative 2 means it goes in the opposite direction that it started off. Yeah? So this is negative 2. All right. Oops, I did not submit. All right, next problem. Okay, so here we have pictures. Consider the slope of the given curve at each of the 5 points. List these points in decreasing order of the slopes. All right. So which point do you think has the highest slope? So you want to start from the highest slope onwards. Slope. This has negative slope, 0 slope, positive slope, and positive slope. So I want to put positives first because I'm going to decrease in slope. So notice D is steeper than E. So D has a higher slope than E. All right. D has a higher slope than E, and they are positives. Before going to negatives, I have a 0 slope at C. And now here are the negative. Which one is more negative? That is more negative, steeper. This is less negative. So that is A. And then I have B. All right. The graph shows position function of a car. Use the shape of the graph to answer. What was the initial velocity of the car? So initially, velocity, remember, is slope of the tangent. Initially, looks like I have horizontal slope. So slope is 0. Okay, horizontal tangent, so slope is 0. Was the car going faster at B or C? B and C. Which one is higher slope? This is not as high a slope as this. This is steep. So C is when it's going faster. What was the velocity of the car between D and E? D and E, it's horizontal tangent. So velocity is 0. Okay. All right. So that completes section 2.1. I will stop. The next videos will go on to section 2.2. Okay. Until then.